Hi guys, I'm Coni, this is my husband Aidan, and this is our tiny home on wheels, Chiquitina Sunflower. She is a 2015 Ford Transit 250. It's a high roof and it's 148 wheelbase.
Currently in Baja, California Sur, getting ready to surf, hanging out with lots of friends.
So it's been almost 7 months since we've been living in our van. We converted ourselves. It took us a year and a half.
Since we're currently in Mexico, we've just been finally getting into meeting lots of fellow van lifers, having a good time and enjoying the fruits of our labor from working so hard. We basically built out everything on this van. With the help of lots of awesome YouTube videos like these, and we're really proud of it.
We can't wait to show you inside, so let's go ahead and take a tour. Welcome inside, guys. This is our tiny house. We have a super unique layout for this small space. We have a unique kitchen here with flip-up counters. We have a hidden shower, as well as our Happy Jack bed lift system, and a bunch of space here, a living room to hang out with friends. Because our van is so small, we really needed to figure out the best layout, especially for counter space. We wanted to create a union between all of these spaces without losing space for pantry, upper cabinets, and all of that. So we created this U-shaped kitchen with our flip-up countertops, so that way we have all of this space to work with. We love to cook, so this part of the build was really important. We really wanted to go ahead and kind of like have the flip-up counters at the same level that the ones that already exist, so that way we have just like one big piece. All right, I'm gonna flip this down real quick. And so right here we have a bunch of drawers where we keep more kitchen stuff. We have our plates here, pots and pans. All of this space as well. We have the fridge, so it's not bothered by this counter. We have our big fridge. This one is a Dometic fridge. It's a CRX 110, and it holds about 2 weeks of food for us.
I'm Nate Murphy, and I have literally just bought this van to show you how to build a van. We have made a really detailed course which will help you go from this to this. You will learn everything you need. We help you specify your electrical system, and you'll be able to access the community all building their own vans at the same time.
So right here we have our sliding door that gives us access to the driving area. And this space, honestly, it separates the temperature a lot, so it works as a form of insulation as well. So we really love it, and it really closes up the space, makes us forget that we're driving, and set us up in this tiny house that we love so much. So this is our kitchen, our cooking space. We have a 2-burner propane stove. We also like to have a bunch of spices here. And we have a vented propane locker as well under the sink, as well as our trash can, cleaning supplies, all kinds of things. And then in this area, we have our nice little kitchen window. We store our cooking boards right here under the wall as well. We have these 2 spaces to hold our dry goods. And so we have a bunch of space here, coffee machine, teas, whatever. And then right here we have some goodies, cans of food, chips, because of course, extra fan, etc. We have here our utensils. So yeah, we have everything we need. We have a full-size sink here that we keep covered. We leave this here, and this sink is pretty deep, and what I love the most about this, which was kind of like a coincidence, but our little plate holder fits right inside, so we just like like to dry the plates here and have the full space. Okay guys, so this is our dresser. We have soft close drawers that we made ourselves. And I have two, Aidan has two, and it's pretty much like they are really big, so we can storage a bunch of clothes there. We also have some decoration here. I love photography, and so I have multiple prints here of different places we've been, cool moments. We have this little box here to hang our keys. We have some hand sanitizer, and you know, when you come this way, you just put your cell phone, wallet, whatever, and that way we can keep everything out of the way. Just like you saw the other upper cabinet in the kitchen, we have a second upper cabinet, and this one is mostly for our bathroom stuff. So we have two different baskets with shampoo, soaps. Directly across from our upper cabinet, we have our hidden shower, which has different uses. It's a little bit of like a closet as well. We have our full-length mirror, and we have this other door where we have this flip-up hanger. That way we can hang our wetsuits, jackets, etc. So here is our shower. In this place we hold a bunch of stuff. We have our Ogo toilet, which we love. We have about 30 gallons of water. It lasts around a week and a half, depending if we take showers once or twice a week. And we have a shower door as well. This shower is 27 by 24. So it's a small, but does the job pretty well. When we take a shower, we just take the toilet out of the shower, and it's fantastic. We have the surfboard here, Aidan surfboard, which is tiny and it fits perfect. So we actually really love the process of building the shower. It was really fun. We built it with actual tiles. So we have penny tile here, and it's a aloe vera color. So yeah, it was really fun, and we haven't had any issues with it at all. All right, so now we're gonna move on to the living room space slash bedroom. Okay guys, so this is our living space, which is right under our bed. This is a happy jack. We just really wanted to have a comfortable open space right here where we can hang out, work, eat. We have our lagoon table, we have extra storage, a little platform for more storage. And this space is really useful. We can also create another bed. We have some wood rails here, so we've had actually 4 people in this van, and because of the happy jack, it's been really easy and just super comfortable and quick. In this space we love to work, have our computers. We have this extra mini garage space that we love. We decided to do this instead of continuing with a U-shape couch, so we could storage more stuff. Here we have access to cables, mouse, and we have books, a bunch of little things that we can grab here, tripod, projector, etc. In the benches, we have the water bench where we hold our 30-gallon tank of fresh water. And in the other bench, we have everything that's the electrical systems. We have a 300 amp hour battery. We have a 2000 watt inverter. We have 400 watts of solar in the roof, and we have a DC to DC system to charge our battery as well. So right now we're gonna show you the bedroom. I'm gonna hop off. All right, so this is our control for the bed lift. So now that we have our bed down, we have a little stool that we use to jump in the bed. All right guys, this is the bedroom. This is our bed. It's about a full-size bed. We have a couple extensions that we add in the window, so sleep this size. We are short people, so this is perfect for us. We love the happy jack. We found it in Instagram, and I really love the idea of, you know, the separation of spaces. Also the fact that you can just fold everything, throw the bed up and forget about it.
Thank you so much for watching our video and taking the time to listen about our van build process.
Make sure to follow our journey. You can find us with Outdoors Mantra in Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. Here on YouTube, we have all of our build process. So if you have any questions, we'll be more than happy to tell you a little more of our build.
And we'll be in Baja for the indefinite future right now. So if you're around, come say hey, and we'd love to show you or see your van too, and maybe surf a little bit together.